What is going on, guys? As you can tell by the title, we are doing something with gooey stuff. Yay! Gooey stuff, I love gooey stuff. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So here we have slime, here we have different types of putty. Just bought yesterday, should have done an unboxing video. So first we're going to be playing with this really gooey slime. As you can tell, it's really slimy. And my hand's going to stink after this video. I love touching it though. Oh, it was literally on me. It's actually wet right now. So yeah, let's just leave this one alone. So guys, if you want to buy this slime, it's from Home Bargains. And so's this putty, but this one I don't know where this one's from. But yeah guys, this one I don't really use because it smells like baby wipes, so yeah, I don't want to smell it. So moving on to putty guys, I have two types, neon, glow in the dark. First let's open the neon, just had to play with it, so yeah. This isn't the neon one, this is the glow in the dark one. So guys, comment down below which one you think is neon. Well, it's obvious now, isn't it? Because like this one's the neon one. So yeah, don't forget that. This one stretches. Right, and you just stretch it all like you want. Very good to get stress. It's like a stress ball, but you can like do this with it, pull it, which is very good. Yes, it's very good. So yeah, this putty is very nice. I like it. Let's just put it right in its top. So guys, this one's the glow in the dark one. Doesn't stretch as much because I've got to start stretching it a bit more. Well, it's not meant to stretch this one, I'm not sure. So yeah guys, you have to charge it underneath near the sunlight, so I'm not really bothered for charging it. So yeah guys, we're just going to put our tub lids on. Okay. So yeah guys, let's have a quick play with this slime again. I only bought one jar of it. So guys, I'm gonna take this off. I don't care. So yeah guys, when you get this type of slime, it's really gooey. Unlike this one's just weird. So guys, this one is the farting type. It usually farts, but it ain't farting today. It farted yesterday. But yeah, I'm doing it now. So yeah guys, here we have it, the big slime in my hand. Let's just put it back in its jar. It's back in its jar now. And I really need to wash my hands. So guys, I will be back in a sec. I'm not that bothered anyway, I'm going to end the video here. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it, because I did. I get to play with all of this. All of these can be bought in different types of shops. Slime can be bought in the same place as putty. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And by the way guys, thanks for 115 subscribers. See you in the next video.